Chapter 5 Numbers up to 100.
21. 21. TWENTYONE 21. 22. 22. TWENTY TWO 22. 23. 23. TWENTY THREE 23. 24. 24. TWENTY FOUR 24. 25. 25. TWENTY FIVE 25. 26. 26. TWENTY SIX 26. 27. 27. TWENTY SEVEN 27. 28. 28. TWENTY EIGHT 28. 29. 29. TWENTY NINE 29. 30. 30. THIRTY 30. 31. 31. THIRTYONE 31. 32. 32. THIRTY TWO 32. 33. 33. THIRTY THREE 33. 34. 34. THIRTY FOUR 34. 35. 35. THIRTY FIVE 35. 36. 36. THIRTY SIX 36. 37. 37. THIRTY SEVEN 37. 38. 38. THIRTY EIGHT 38. 39. 39. THIRTY NINE 39. 40. 40. FORTY 40. 41. 41. FORTY ONE 41. 42. 42. FORTY TWO 42. 43. 43. FORTY THREE 43. 44. 44. FORTY FOUR 44. 45. 45. FORTY FIVE 45. 46. 46. FORTY SIX 46. 47. 47. FORTY SEVEN 47. 48. 48. FORTY EIGHT 48. 49. 49. FORTY NINE 49. 50. 50. FIFTY 50.
Comparison of numbers.
Which is greater number? 32 is greater than 28. Which is smaller number? 28 is less than 32. So, 28 is the smaller number.
44, 36. 44 is greater than 36. 26, 30. 26 is less than 30. So, 26 is smaller number. Before, after, between. Left, right, left. 50 comes before me. 52 comes after me. And I come between 50 and 52. Understanding expanded form. 5. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 5 ones only. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N 1 10 and 5 ones. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T 2 tens and 8 ones.